Good morning. This is the side MOLLE panels for the JL. This is the top part. This is the bottom part. This is your hardware that's included. And these are the support brackets. The two mounting locations on the top are already included with your Jeep. It's going to be the first bolt in the top right behind the driver's side door for the passenger in the back, and the next bolt behind that will be where you mount this to your Jeep. The first thing you want to do is you're going to remove those two bolts that I just spoke of. If you look in the side of your Jeep, right behind the driver's side, looking down the top, it's going to be the first and second bolts that attach the top to your JL. I want to say that's a 35 or 40 star bit. It's included with the little hardware kit that comes with your Jeep. First things that you're going to do is you can attach your supports to the bracket here. You're simply going to line up this slot, and you're going to take one of the included bolts and you slide it through, and you're going to loosely tighten it down. As you can see here, the support brackets are on the inside. That way you have better access to your mounting bolts down here. Once you have these loosely fitted on, after you have those bolts taken off, you're simply going to sit this on the top lip of the hardtop, and you're going to mount, or you're going to sit this down. You're going to line up all three of these pieces to where the slot goes all the way through. You're going to reinsert your top mounting bolt there and here, and you're going to simply snug those down like you would if you were placing your hardtop. Then you're going to take a 10mm wrench back here and a 4mm Allen key, and you're going to tighten these two brackets down, and that's going to give you extra rigidity up here for mounting heavier objects. But when you're done, this is the driver's side for the JL. This is obviously towards the front of the Jeep, and the passenger side is just the exact opposite.